show you how to make $2 for each lead on Amazon with Amazon gift card. Just follow my steps. Teach you how to make like on average $200 every single day without lifting a finger. You tell me how? Why is that possible? Yeah, you see it now. The first thing you need to do, you will think on how to make money, get the traffic with this. But for the sake of this video, we're going to use Facebook groups. Facebook groups are very essential. Let's say I want to go to Amazon gifts. Yeah, you try join these groups. These ones. When you join them, you wait for them to invite you. If you need to get approved if you need to, yeah, you joined, yeah, you see that the rules, you join the group. So you can, once you have been approved, you can write an anonymous topic, or anonymous, you can write anything, or you can write anything by yourself with your name or anonymously. So we're going to use ChatGPT to write our Facebook post. Let me show you. Go to ChatGPT. You say, write me a Facebook post about card, Amazon gift card. You see what's, yeah, you see? Hey everyone, this one, you all this in ChatGPT wrote, you need to post it on your groups, different groups. Join 10 groups a day, post all this in 10, 20, 30 groups a day. You will make lead thousands of members. Let's say, for example, out of these members, those members you joined, it's 23,000 members. Let's say 230 people love what you post, and they take action, they follow your step, they listen to you. That is $2 times 200. Let's 230. Let's say it's 2,000, 4,000. So, bro, what am I saying? That is 200, $400 per day, just one day. So don't sleep on this, bro. So you just copy it, you can copy, you go to Facebook group. Let's say you want to post it on here. Click here, choose the color you want. Let's say for the sake of this video, you use purple, and you paste this. Oh, I change color, but you get what I mean. So you post this. Let's do post anonymously though, that you can, in case you're shy to post, you think the people, your Facebook friends will see you. Let's do anonymous. Submit. I posted this, for example, but when you, on a norm, when you post this next time, don't do like me. You put in the link of this Amazon gift card, copy it, go to Facebook group, paste it like this. Yeah, say click here. Do click here for free Amazon card, gift card. Yeah, the people will listen to you. Yeah, then you post it. If you do this every day, after 6 months, I can almost guarantee you get sale, a lead. Get me? Bro, just you got to use your brain, bro. To be creative, productive. If you like this video, I'm sure I'll tell you to go to the link in the description and take action because I have something special for you to end your 9 to 5 for good and make 1,000, $10,000 in a day. Don't forget to go to the link in my description. First link in my description. Also the second link in my description. Those the two links I have that are very useful to make you so stop your 9 to 5 in a month. So bro, take action. As for me, I'm out.